Hey guys, it's me Brian of Modern Pastry, and today, gagawa tayo ng very simple yet classic fruity dessert na pavlova. Crunchy on the outside, marshmallowy inside meringues without using egg whites. Topped with cream, fresh fruits, and mango sauce. Kaya naman tara, simulan na natin.
Order and pastry.
To make the meringue, gagamit tayo ng lapid instant meringue mix. Just weigh 300 grams and add 90 grams of water. Mix on low at first, then whip on high speed for 5 minutes until stiff and glossy. Works perfectly kung ayaw nyo ng eggs for meringue recipes gaya nito. Pipe into baking tray lined with parchment paper at ibibake natin sila low and slow at 70 degrees Celsius for about an hour and a half. Then turn off the oven at palamigin sa loob. Gawa naman tayo ng mango coulis in a saucepan. Paghaluin yung mangga, asukal, and lemon juice. Lutuin until mag-soften and slightly reduce. Magtithicken pa yan as it cools later. I-blend until smooth, then set aside to cool completely. After baking, and once completely cool, to assemble, pipe tayo ng whipped cream inside and on top of the meringue. Drizzle with some mango sauce na ginawa natin. Add more sauce and fruits as you like dahil ito talaga yung magpapasarap sa ating pavlova. Naglagay ako ng passion fruit, fresh diced mangoes, green and golden kiwis, but you can also use mango only or other fruits pa na you prefer. And that's it. Enjoy your homemade mango pavlova.